It's your duty to be successful. Here's what I mean. Pele, famous football player, is quoted on record saying, "Success is no accident." And some believe this to be true, like me, but others find themselves on the other side of the argument. It's really a difference of definitions. In asking a monk after the definition of success, he may answer with silence or serenity. In asking a professional football player, it might be confidence, aggression, a Super Bowl ring. My point is, success may be the finish line, but the sport or the way the finish line is crossed may be different. And in knowing that, the word success in the title of this video becomes completely personalized. Before you can be any type of successful, you must first sit with yourself in silence and search for what that word means. And I have to warn you against defining success as the obvious: money, women, fame, excess. At first, it may seem like these are true. Someone who is lonely may see fame as their ticket out, while someone else, me for example, may see money as their ticket out. The real definition for success will always go deeper. I'd like to use myself as an example. Through soul searching, I've realized my idea of success is autonomy. That's autonomy of mind, autonomy of time, and autonomy of self. This just means I want the ability to control my mind, my time, and myself at all times. With the requisition of money, I may be able to control my time, but it doesn't really help me in controlling my mind or myself. That's why defining success as a healthy bank account actually takes away from 2/3 of what my idea of success actually is. If I were to do this, I could lock myself into a life I never wanted. You see, my original plan was to become a lawyer. Sure, my financial life would be taken care of, but long days would ensure I had no control over my time whatsoever. So how about we change that statement now? It's your duty to be you. That is, to live your life with the intention of becoming more like who you wish you were, running or walking your way to this finish line of success that you've already decided on. Remember that the person who crosses the line, although they aren't the same, they are still you, just a version with a bigger heart and more worn out shoes. Stay safe, and I love you all.